News 5 has learned that some of the nation's leaders in testing athletes for performance-enhancing drugs and instances of doping now shifting funding and resources to the fight against COVID-19. News 5's Patrick Nelson shows us how a Colorado Springs-based group is leading the charge on this important research.
Scientists are learning more about coronavirus every day. The goal, to eventually have enough information to help us defeat it. Here in Colorado Springs, an organization that helps to fund testing of some of the world's best athletes is now funding research that could be a game changer.
We realized there was something that we could offer, and we felt kind of a calling to do our part in fighting this pandemic.
Colorado Springs-based Partnership for Clean Competition is now funding crucial lab research in the fight against COVID-19. The nonprofit formed by the U.S. Olympic Committee and other major American sports leagues funds lab research in testing and detecting athletes who cheat by doping or using performance-enhancing drugs. Now, their focus is more information on the reach of coronavirus.
To provide the data that's necessary to understand what the asymptomatic population of the United States looks like through a 15,000 sample size study all over the country, so that we can make decisions as to how fast it's spreading, where it's going, what we need to do for future policy.
The testing and lab work is being led by Dr. Daniel Eichner in Salt Lake City.
So these will be regular people. These aren't people that are going into the hospital for testing. These aren't elite athletes. They're general population people.
Colorado residents will be well represented in the nationwide testing. Dr. Eichner says it's research that could be crucial in charting a course to deal with COVID-19.
And here's an example of sport giving, back to public health and the regular community. I mean, like, it couldn't be a better partnership, and I couldn't be more excited to be involved. And honestly, the initiatives that the Partnership for Clean Competition has been doing in Colorado is huge, and it's going to have nationwide and worldwide attention when this data comes out.
I'm told the testing that's part of this research is getting underway this week, and the experts hope to have much more information about coronavirus in the days to come. Always watching out for you, Patrick Nelson, News 5.